Intro. Traveling can be a whirlwind of excitement, but packing can often turn into a chaotic mess. If you've ever struggled to fit everything into your suitcase or spent precious time digging through your bag for a specific item, packing cubes might be the game changer you need. These handy organizers not only help you maximize space, but also keep your belongings neatly separated and easily accessible. In this video, we'll explore the 7 best packing cubes for travelers, ensuring that your next trip is as organized and hassle-free as possible. Number 1. BAGAIL 8-set packing cubes are a popular choice among travelers looking for a versatile and efficient packing solution. This set includes 8 different sizes, allowing you to pack everything from bulky sweaters to delicate lingerie. Made from high-quality, water-resistant nylon, these cubes are both lightweight and durable. The mesh top panel offers visibility, so you can quickly find what you need without opening every cube. The usability of these packing cubes is exceptional. They help compress your clothing, freeing up valuable suitcase space. The sturdy zipper pulls are designed for easy access, while the reinforced stitching ensures that the cubes can withstand the rigors of travel. Additionally, their vibrant colors make it easy to categorize your items, whether you're packing for a beach getaway or a business trip. The BAGAIL cubes are also machine washable, making maintenance a breeze. When it comes to durability, these packing cubes stand out. The water-resistant fabric protects your belongings from spills and unexpected leaks, and the overall construction can endure wear and tear, ensuring they will last for many trips to come. The variety in sizes within the set means you can use them for different types of travel, whether you're heading out for a weekend or embarking on a long international journey. Lastly, the effectiveness of these packing cubes is evident in how much they can streamline your packing process. With the BAGAIL 8 set, you can organize by category, clothes in one cube, shoes in another, and toiletries in a third. This not only saves time when packing, but also helps you keep everything in order during your trip.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2 to 5 set packing cubes are another excellent choice for travelers seeking simplicity and functionality. This set typically includes 5 cubes in various sizes, perfect for organizing different types of clothing and accessories. Made from durable, lightweight fabric, these cubes are designed to withstand the rigors of travel while keeping your items protected. One of the standout features of this packing cube set is its practicality. The breathable mesh top allows you to see the contents at a glance, so there's no need to open multiple cubes searching for that favorite shirt. The zippers are smooth and reliable, providing easy access to your belongings. These packing cubes can be effortlessly packed into any suitcase, backpack, or carry-on, maximizing space and minimizing clutter. Quality is a crucial aspect of the 5 set packing cubes. The material is not only lightweight, but also strong enough to resist tearing and wear, ensuring longevity. The design focuses on usability, making it easy to categorize your items. Ideal for organizing clothes, shoes, and even electronics, each cube is spacious enough to hold a significant amount of clothing, making them perfect for both short trips and extended vacations. Moreover, the effectiveness of these packing cubes shines through in how they enhance your travel experience. By utilizing these organizers, you can keep your suitcase neat and tidy, allowing for easy access to your essentials. This means more time enjoying your trip and less time searching for what you need. Number 3. BAGSMART 6 set compression packing cubes take packing organization to the next level with their unique compression feature. This set includes 6 cubes designed specifically to compress your clothing, helping you save space in your suitcase. Constructed from high-quality, durable fabric, these packing cubes not only help you organize but also minimize bulk, making them a favorite among frequent travelers. What sets the BAGSMART compression cubes apart is their dual-purpose functionality. You can use them as regular packing cubes, but when you need to pack efficiently, simply zip them to compress your items. This feature is particularly useful for bulkier clothing, such as jackets or sweaters, which can take up valuable suitcase real estate. The mesh panels allow for breathability, ensuring that your clothes remain fresh throughout your journey. Durability is another highlight of these packing cubes. The The robust fabric can withstand the wear and tear of travel, and the sturdy zippers are designed for frequent use. Whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or an extended vacation, the BAGSMART cubes can handle it all. The elegant design and neutral color palette also make them visually appealing, fitting seamlessly into any travel ensemble. Number 4. TravelWise Packing Cube System is a thoughtfully designed solution for travelers who value organization and efficiency. This system usually includes a set of multiple cubes, each designed for specific types of clothing. Made from durable fabric, these cubes are lightweight yet sturdy enough to hold your essentials securely during transit. What makes the TravelWise system particularly effective is its organized approach to packing. Each cube is labeled for easy identification, ensuring that you know exactly where to find your clothes, shoes, or accessories. The breathable mesh panels provide visibility and ventilation, keeping your items fresh and easy to access. The cubes are designed to fit neatly in any suitcase, optimizing space and keeping your luggage organized. Durability is a key feature of the TravelWise cubes. The high-quality fabric resists wear and tear, ensuring they will hold up through countless trips. The reinforced seams and sturdy zippers provide extra reliability, so you can travel with peace of mind knowing your items are well protected. Additionally, these packing cubes are lightweight, which is a crucial consideration for travelers looking to minimize baggage weight. Number 5. Ritzy packing cubes are a stylish and functional choice for travelers who want to add a touch of flair to their packing routine. This set typically includes multiple cubes in various sizes, allowing you to pack clothes, toiletries, and accessories with ease. Made from high-quality materials, these cubes are designed to withstand the demands of travel while keeping your items secure and organized. One of the standout features of the Ritzy cubes is their playful and trendy designs. With a variety of patterns and colors, these cubes not only serve a practical purpose but also reflect your personal style. The mesh top allows you to easily see the contents, ensuring that you can quickly locate what you need. The durable zippers are easy to use, providing reliable access to your belongings. Number 6. Cambond compression packing cubes are an excellent solution for travelers looking to maximize their packing efficiency. This set includes multiple cubes designed to compress your clothing, providing significant space-saving capabilities. Constructed from durable, high-quality fabric, these packing cubes are lightweight yet robust enough to protect your belongings during transit. The compression feature of the Cambond cubes sets them apart from standard packing organizers. When you pack your items, simply zip them up and watch as the cubes shrink down, making more room in your suitcase. This is especially useful for thicker clothing like jackets and sweaters. The mesh panels allow for ventilation, ensuring your clothes remain fresh and wrinkle-free. Quality is a major focus of the Cambond packing cubes. The sturdy fabric can withstand wear and tear, and the zippers are designed for smooth operation, even with frequent use. The various sizes in this set cater to different packing needs, whether you're organizing clothes, shoes, or accessories. This versatility makes them ideal for any type of travel, from short trips to extended vacations. Number 7. LeanTravel compression packing cubes are the final piece in our list, offering a reliable and efficient packing solution for travelers of all types. This set typically includes several compression cubes designed to reduce the volume of your packed items. Made from high-quality materials, these cubes are built to last while keeping your belongings safe and organized. One of the key features of LeanTravel cubes is their ability to compress items effectively. With a simple zip, you can significantly reduce the bulk of your clothing, which is especially beneficial for travelers who need to maximize their luggage space. The breathable mesh top allows you to see the contents without having to rummage through multiple bags, providing easy access to your essentials. Packing doesn't have to be a stressful part of your travel experience. With the right packing cubes, you can keep your belongings organized, save space, and simplify the packing process. Whether you choose the BAGL, BAGSMART, or any of the other fantastic options we discussed today, these packing cubes will transform the way you travel. Happy packing and safe travels!